Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to delete messages on Instagram. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Instagram topic. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Instagram app. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to message box right here. So you have to make sure you click on this icon right here. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply choose a particular message you would like to delete. So I'm going to select on this particular contact. Just like so. Now for you to delete any message right here, just click and hold that. And this is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on delete for you. As simple as that. You can also delete all messages, and for you to do that, just select them one after the other, like this and like this, and from the top downward. So selected about 5 messages. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on delete, and then delete for you. Click on that. It's as simple as that. All messages have been successfully deleted. So basically, this is how to delete message on Instagram without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.